Hello, welcome to Niberia. Niberia is a language technology company, and our focus is to develop the languages of Africa. We would like the world to consider African languages as raw materials to be developed. And we know that Africa is to some extent a big resource of raw materials. And we know that for African countries to become first world countries, these languages have to be fully developed. So what we're going to do is to look at some words from the Igbo language. We're going to look at a specific word called the chi, and we are going to look at how we can use that word to solve problems for individuals and possibly also solve problems for humanity. We have chosen this word chi because this word is very popular around the world. Interestingly, the Chinese use the same word. According to the Chinese, the chi is an energy force that surrounds an individual. And the chi is the underlying principle of Chinese medicine. So a lot of individuals in the Western world have been to acupuncture practitioners, or they have experienced Chinese martial arts, so they're very familiar with this word chi. Now let's go back to the Igbo chi. According to the Igbos, the chi is a force that determines the destiny of an individual. So what is this force? Now, the chi is also very popular in Igbo. If you know Igbos, you probably know someone with a chi name like Chioma, like Chinenye, like Chinwe, or even the great writer of Things Fall Apart, Chinua, of course, has a chi name. Now, the chi is a very, very important subject. It's so important that even the word for God, Chuku, contains chi in it, because Chuku is chi uku, making God the big chi. Now, an understanding of this chi is extremely important because it gives us control of our lives and control of the physical universe. And most importantly, when we know the chi, we activate our God. Find out more about the chi at niberia.com. Thank you.